Hi everybody, this is Diana from sweetysalado, and today we're going to make a Sancocho TRIFÁSIco, which is a 3-meat Colombian soup that has beef, pork, and chicken. And as always, the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below the video. So first we're going to heat some oil in a very large pot over medium heat. Then we're going to add either white onion or yellow onion, and we're going to cook this for about 3 minutes. Now we're going to add green onion and garlic, and we're going to cook it for about 1 minute. Now we're going to add chopped tomato. We're going to give it a stir and cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it's really soft. To this, we're going to add beef bouillon, which is optional, ground cumin, and color, and we're going to form a paste. And to this paste, we're going to add water just to loosen it up and get all those bits that are stuck at the bottom of the pot. Now we're going to add our meat. We're going to start with our beef. You can use any kind of beef that you want. Now we're going to add lots of water. We're going to give it a stir, cover it up, bring it to a boil on high heat, and then reduce the heat to medium-low and cook this for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to add the rest of the meat. I'm adding pork ribs, and I'm also adding chicken drumsticks without the skin, but you can use any kind of chicken or pork that you want. We're also going to add bits and pieces of a green plantain, and I'm also going to add half of a whole plantain because this is what I'm going to use to make a puree. We're going to cover it up once again, bring it to a boil on high heat, then reduce the heat to medium-low and cook this for about 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, we're going to take out that whole green plantain, and then we're going to place it in a blender with about half a cup of that soup to make a puree. This is going to thicken the soup, and it's also going to add lots of flavor. Going back to the soup, we're going to add potatoes. I'm using red potatoes that have been quartered. We're also going to add cassava. I'm using frozen cassava. Then we're going to add that plantain puree. We're going to give it a stir. And if you notice that you need more water, what you can do is add more water to the blender, and then that way you can get all that puree plantain back in the pot. Now we season with salt and pepper to taste, cover the pot, bring it to a boil once again. Once it's boiling, we reduce this to medium-low and cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes and the cassava are tender. And that's it. To serve it, we're going to place a piece of pork, potatoes, green plantain, cassava. Now we're going to add the beef, the chicken, and lots of that delicious broth. And then we finish it up with chopped cilantro. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.